Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss sums based on trigonometric ratio. So first, how to find out the other trigonometric ratio when one trigonometric ratio is given. Suppose if it is given that sine theta equals to 3 divided by 5, find all other trigo ratio. Find all other trigo ratio. So if I will draw the right angle triangle, from the right angle triangle, if I take this as theta, so as sine theta is this side, opposite side divided by hypotenuse, so I can write this as 3, this is 5, right? But if you write this side is 3 and this side is 5, you will make mistake, because what is sine theta? Sine theta is ratio of two sides. So as sine theta is ratio of two sides, my sides can be 6 and 10 also. That time also ratio will become 3 divided by 5, right? So whenever you will take the sides you should take as 3k and 5k, imagining that there can be some constant multiplied there. So if this two side is 3k and 5k, see this is x, using Pythagoras theorem we can write 3k square plus x square equals to 5k square, right? So x square is equals to 25k square minus 3k square is 9k square. So that is 16k square, and so x will be equals to 4k in bracket. Please do mention as side is always positive, because x square equals to 16k square. From that x would be plus minus 4k, but we are taking only plus 4k because the side is always positive. So sine theta is 3k by 5k, which is equals to 3 divided by 5. Cos theta is equals to x. X is by 4k, right? So with the side of x, if I write 4k, cos theta will be 4k divided by 5k, which is also equals to 4 divided by 5. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, that is 3 divided by 5 by 4 divided by 5, that is 3 divided by 4. Cot theta is 1 divided by tan theta, which is equals to 4 divided by 3. Cosec theta is equals to 1 divided by sin theta, which is equals to 5 divided by 3. And sec theta equals to 1 divided by cos theta, which will be equals to 5 divided by 4. So if I will try to solve one more sum based on this, suppose it is given that a sin theta equals to b cos theta. I am going to solve this sum in many ways as you can solve it. So find the value of, we need to find the value of what? B sin theta plus a cos theta divided by b sin theta minus a cos theta. After saying the term, who are comfortable in component dividendo, they will go for component dividendo. If I don't know anything, just check from here. Can we write that, sin theta, what is sin theta equals from this line? So from this line, sin theta is equals to b cos theta divided by a. So if I put the value of sin theta over here, this expression will be, 1 minute, this will be equals to, so my required expression will be b sin theta, that is b into b cos theta divided by a, plus a cos theta divided by b into b cos theta divided by a minus a cos theta. So from the numerator and denominator, if I take cos theta common, so it will become b square divided by a plus a. From denominator, if I take cos theta common, it will become b square divided by a minus a. So if I just take the LCM, it will become b square plus a square divided by a divided by b square minus a square divided by a. So answer is b square plus a square divided by b square minus a square. If someone knows component dividend, the sum was a sin theta, b cos theta. So a sin theta equals to b cos theta, right? So from there, if I divide, can we write sin theta by cos theta equals to b divided by a? Now the same sum, it is b sin theta plus a cos theta. So if it is b sin theta plus a cos theta divided by b sin theta minus a cos theta. If I will divide numerator and denominator by cos theta, So it will be b sin theta divided by cos theta plus a. Cos theta by cos theta will be 1. So b into sin theta divided by cos theta minus a. Sin theta by cos theta is b divided by a. So it will be b into b divided by a plus a divided by b into b divided by a minus a. If you simplify, again same result you will get, right? So once more I am doing this sum by using component numerator rule. Just check from there. I need to find b sin theta and a cos theta. So b sin theta divided by a cos theta multiplying by b divided by a. That will be b square divided by a square, right? So b sin theta plus a cos theta divided by b sin theta minus a cos theta, that will be equals to b square plus a square divided by b square minus a square. That's the beauty of knowing the formula or knowing the different process. So now one more sum I am solving based on trigo ratio for your benefit. I hope all of you understood how to apply this formula. Now if it is given that tan theta equals to a divided by b, find all other trigo ratio, So from there, if I will draw these diagrams, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side, so I will take this side as ak divided by bk, right? Already I have discussed why to take this k. Please be very careful. Don't take this as a and b, because mathematically then you will be wrong. If you get marks, that's all this choice, but mathematically will be wrong. I hope all of you understood, because the sides can be 2 and 2b also here, right? So this side will be root over of a square k square plus b square k square. So root over of k square common, then in bracket a square plus b square, that is k into root over of a square plus b square, right? So now if I try to find out the value of all trigo ratio, then sin theta will be ak divided by k into this. So if I will simplify, it will become a divided by root over of a square plus b square. We need this concept later part. So cos theta will be equals to bk divided by k into root over of a square plus b square. K cancel out, so that will be b divided by root over of a square plus b square. As we know sin theta, my cosec theta will be reciprocal of sin theta, that is root over of b square plus a square divided by a. You can write root over of a square plus b square. Just by mistake I wrote that b square in front. So sec theta will be root over of a square plus b square divided by b. I know tan theta as a divided by b. Hence my cot theta will be b divided by a. Is it fine? So that's it for now. Trigonometry is very easy. Just practice. If you have any doubt, please write me in the comment box. Thank you.